So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download DirectX End User Runtime June 2010. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, choose your language, and then click on download. It's now going to start downloading. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And now this will come up. I recommend creating a new folder on your desktop. So you want to go to your desktop and then right click on your desktop and then click on new and then click on folder. You can name it anything you want, but you just want to create a new folder on your desktop. And now once you create the new folder and we're now on this page, you want to click on yes. And now you want to click on browse. You want to select the folder that you just created. So for me, it's on my desktop, and then here's the folder. I'm going to click on it, and then click on OK. And now once you select the folder, you want to click on OK again. It's now going to extract all this data into this folder. And now once that's been extracted, we can now double click on the new folder. We should now be seeing all of this. And now once we're on this, you want to scroll down until we find DX Setup. We're going to scroll down until we find DX Setup, double click on it, and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I accept, and then click on next. And then click on next again. It's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to click on finish. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.